Students, put your thinking caps on right now. Guys, what you trying to do? Today we're gonna learn about artificial sweeteners. What? Yeah, artificial sweeteners. Ready? Here comes the facts. Artificial sweeteners created by mixing chemicals together. The outcome gives us something that is 30 to 13 times sweeter. Even though there's many types of sweeteners in our world today, we only have time for two: sucralose and saccharin. First, we're gonna start off with sucralose. Sucralose was discovered by Tate and Leo by accident, yet sucralose is thought as most natural. Sucralose is 600 times sweeter than sugar, but doesn't have that real sugar taste. Sucralose has 3 hydroxyl groups of oxygen, replaced by chlorine. That's why sucralose has a tiny feeling unlike sucrose, because chlorine has a stronger charge than oxygen. Oh, is it already time for saccharin? Saccharin was the first artificial sweetener to be discovered. It was also discovered by accidents from Konstantin Flamberg. One day he was researching oxidization of toluene sulfonamide. There was an accidental splash which got on some of his fingers. He eventually got some in his mouth and noticed that it was really sweet. And now we have saccharin as an artificial sugar sweetener, which is totally 300 times sweeter than sugar, yet having an unsettling metallic taste. It still sweetens, which counts as sweetener. Am I right? But now we're all wondering what saccharin is made out of, aren't we? Well, saccharin has nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, and sulfur. Saccharin starts with a reaction between toluene and chlorsulfonic acid, then is converted to sulfonamide with ammonia, later to be oxidized to benzoic acid and heated to form a cyclic amide. But don't worry, all these chemicals inside of you, the body doesn't absorb any of it because sweeteners go in then come out untouched. But now the question is how all these chemicals are the same. Well, the tongue has one receptor for sweet, unlike the other tastes, bitterness and sourness. All the chemicals are put together as sweetness. And now we understand artificial sweeteners. Just remember that there's one big food hazard. The hazard is too much of any food is really bad.